What's up everyone, it's NYMUR and we're back with another video. Today we're diving deep into the world of online side hustles. Specifically the best survey and focus group platforms of 2025. We're talking about those apps and websites that want to hear your opinion, your feedback, all while putting some extra cash in your pocket. But the truth is, some of these platforms are actually legit ways to make some decent side income. We're talking everything from Amazon gift cards to straight-up PayPal deposits, just for sharing your thoughts. So if you've got some free time, why not get paid for it? In this video, I'm breaking down the top contenders, everything from their payout rates and payment methods to their user experience and reputation. Let's get started. First up, we've got Swagbucks. This platform has been around for a while, and for good reason. It's known for having a really clean, user-friendly interface, which is super important when you're navigating these kinds of sites. But what really sets Swagbucks apart is its versatility. You're not just limited to surveys here. You can earn rewards for watching videos, shopping online, even playing games. And when it comes to payouts, Swagbucks offers a ton of flexibility. You can redeem your points for gift cards from a wide range of retailers, including Amazon and Target, or you can opt for PayPal Cash. They make it easy to get rewarded, which is a huge plus in my book. Next, let's talk about Survey Junkie. This platform is all about surveys, and they've got a ton of them. One of the things I appreciate about Survey Junkie is their transparency. They give you a clear estimate of how long each survey will take and how much you'll earn before you even start. And when it comes to getting paid, Survey Junkie keeps things simple. They offer payments through PayPal or e-gift cards, making it easy to access your earnings. Plus, they have a really low payout threshold, so you can cash out your rewards sooner rather than later. InboxDollars is another solid option for those looking to earn some extra cash online. One of the things that stands out about InboxDollars is their sign-up bonus. And like Swagbucks, InboxDollars offers multiple ways to earn rewards. InboxDollars pays out via check or gift cards, and they have a decent selection of retailers to choose from. Overall, it's a solid platform with a good reputation and a variety of earning opportunities. Toluna is a global survey platform that's known for its wide range of surveys and its reliable payout system. They work with some big-name brands, so you'll often find yourself sharing your opinions on products and services you actually recognize. You earn points for completing surveys, and you can redeem those points for a variety of rewards, including cash via PayPal, gift cards, and even merchandise. Toluna also has a strong community aspect with forums where you can connect with other users and participate in polls and discussions. Now, if you're looking for higher paying opportunities, Respondent is where it's at. This platform specializes in connecting businesses with individuals for market research studies, including focus groups. They work with major companies across various industries, so you can find focus groups on topics that genuinely interest you. And the payouts for Respondent studies can be significant. If you're willing to invest the time and share your insights, Respondent can be a lucrative option. User interviews is another great option for those interested in focus groups and research studies. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface and the wide range of research topics they cover. User interviews offers payments via PayPal and Amazon gift cards, and they have a good track record of timely payments. If you're looking for a platform with a strong focus on user experience and a variety of research opportunities, user interviews is worth checking out. Finally, we have focusgroup.com, one of the oldest and most established focus group platforms out there. This platform has been connecting businesses with consumers for market research for over 2 decades, so they definitely know what they're doing. Focusgroup.com offers both online and in-person focus groups, giving you the flexibility to participate in studies that fit your schedule and preferences. They offer payments through checks or gift cards, and they have a long-standing reputation for reliable payments. So there you have it, guys. The best survey and focus group platforms to maximize your earning potential in 2025. Whether you're looking to make a quick buck or dive into some in-depth market research, these platforms have got you covered. Remember, Not all platforms are created equal. It's important to do your research, read reviews, and choose platforms that align with your earning goals and preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Until next time, peace out.